So hey guys, welcome back to Shivan's Fun Video. Like it and subscribe. So today we brought another Apple product. I know it's too much. And on before's video, we bought this iPad Air, right? I on it with the iPhone. So take a close look. The on-off button is here. There is fingerprint and we could on it also. So yeah, that one is it. So this is the watch. Here you go. I think you could see it, maybe. Apple Watch, you could. Okay, so yeah, it's 44mm cellular version. It's blue in color, series 6. So let's get started. It will be again satisfying to remove. Okay. Now I will remove this. Yeah. Now you could properly see the Apple Watch. Okay. So it's like a box type. You remove it from here, as you can see. You open this, both sides. Okay. Wow, this box is cool. So cool. We got these two boxes here. This is the belt and this is the screen. And yeah, this is the art of the watch. Box is nice. Okay, let's get started with this. This is the belt here. You can see it is sports band. Okay. We need to peel it off from here, this green. Again. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay, I got it open. What's inside? There is nothing inside. See, here it says watch. It's nice opening. Okay. So we'll keep this aside. We'll open it later. And yeah, we'll open this. This is the main part. This one is the watch of it. I'll real quick open it. We got this here. Designed by Apple in California, as you can see here. Okay. These are the stickers. I mean, not the stickers, the information. Thought for a second it was a sticker. And yeah, here inside is the cable. I'll open it for you. Or maybe wait, I wanted to show you the screen. You see? Yeah. Okay, now we will open this. Maybe not open. We need to pull it. Okay. See, there are multiple sensors here. In the last one, there were only one. This is the sensor of the blood oxygen. So yeah, here as you can see, multiple buttons. Maybe not, maybe two. And here is the watch. So yeah, and you get a cover when it's inside this cover here. And yeah, that's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like it, share it, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So bye.